In this animation, we're going to look at problem number 13 on page 120, which happens to be an increase problem. Santiago Roland owns a small restaurant and charges 8% sales tax on all orders. At the end of the day, he has a total of $1,026, including the sales and sales tax in his cash register. What were his sales, not including sales tax? And we also need to find the amount that is sales tax. We know that the base is the whole or total, the starting point, or that to which something is being compared. In our problem here, the total sales becomes our base. The base plus some portion gives us a new value which is called the part. In this problem, the plus some portion is our sales tax. We know that there's $1,026 in the cash register, and that represents our sales and our sales tax, and so the $1,026 becomes our part. The rate is number followed by a percent sign or the word percent. In this problem, our rate is 108%. The question we need to find out is, what is the amount of our sales? We know that the part is equal to the rate, or $1,026 is equal to 108%. The question becomes, $1,026 is 108% of what? This is where we get our part, our rate, and our base. Looking at our formula pi, we see that the part is equal to the base times the rate. The base is equal to the part divided by the rate, and the rate is equal to the part divided by the base. In our problem here, we need to find the base, so we're going to use the formula base is equal to part divided by rate. That is equal to 1,026 divided by 1.08. We remember that when converting from a percent to a decimal, we simply move the decimal point 2 places to the left and then remove the percent sign. That's how we went from 108% to 1.08. After doing the division, we see that we have $950, which represents our sales. Well, if our sales is $950 and we have $1,026 in the cash register, whatever's left over must be the tax. So we take $1,026 minus $950, and we see that the sales tax is $76. So the answers to our questions are A, the sales not including tax, $950, and B, sales tax is $76.